You might be wondering, how do I create a wish list of books that I can share with my educational services representative? Well, the first step is to go to my website. You can type in l5736.paperpie.com or the simpler version, shop.marthasbookdepot.com. You will find this page and you will need to register an account. You will have to register an account in order to save your wish list, so make sure that you do this step first so that you don't lose any of your progress. Simply enter your first name and your last name and a valid email address, and then choose a password. Click I am not a robot, unless of course you're a robot, in which case don't click that, and then click register. You will see your registration has been completed, and now you can start to browse the website and put books on your wish list. One fantastic way to search for books on our wish list is with the search category here. You can type in any keyword such as chemistry and click enter, and you will find all of the books that both have chemistry in the title as well as in the description. You can click on the title of any book and it will bring you to the book description page where you can either add it to your cart or add it to your wish list. That's what we're going to do right now. Click add to wish list, and you will see that it has been added to your current wish list. Now, we have to figure out where to find your current wish list. Let's do that next. In order to find your wish list, you're going to click on Find a Wish List, and then you're going to click on Personal Wish List here. You see my wish list has one item on it. It should be that book I just put on it. And there it is right there. Another way to browse our website that is also highly effective is by the categories over here on the left-hand side of the page. You can click on any of these categories, such as Back to School, to find books that are associated with that. This is just a selection that our staff has pulled to highlight this topic. You can also see special topics like space or Learning from Home. Learning from Home is a good place to look for different grade level books. You can look at resources by grade, and then you can see what the top recommendations are for each grade. Now, if you prefer to look for books and browse a catalog all on your own instead of going through the website, which is absolutely an acceptable and effective strategy, you are going to click on the link down in the video description. That is going to bring you to our PaperPie Learning digital catalog. This is a flippable catalog where you can see all of our product offerings and information about our additional programs as well. On the inside of the front page, you will find an order form if you ever need to place an order for your classroom or your library. You can simply fill out this order form and send it to me at any time. As you're flipping this catalog, you will see different bindings, the definitions of which are all right here in this definitions box. Our catalog is split up into different categories. So on page 16, you will see our Smart Lab Toys offerings. On page 20, you will see the beginning of our Kane Miller titles. This includes a lot of our juvenile fiction titles and some pretty incredible nonfiction books as well. On page 109, you will see the beginnings of our Learning Wrap-Up section. And on page 113, you have the introduction to our Usborne section. Now, our Usborne titles are not available to be ordered by schools. However, you can put these books on your wish list and you can receive them as rewards for book fairs, Literacy or a Lifetime, Reach for the Stars, and Cards for a Cause fundraisers. So feel free to go ahead and put any Usborne titles, in fact, any titles from our catalog, on your wish list. Once you have finished building your wish list, you can click Email a Friend. And then you can enter my email address, martha@drmarthaexperiments.com, and send the email to me. and it will pop that email right into my inbox and I can see your entire wish list.